So guys, today the spirit is down, man. This is disturbing. This is really, really disturbing, guys. No matter how much we disagree with these guys who are supporting March and March, who are leading March and March, these guys Abongizwe, Bhala Mthakathi, and the Sis Jacinta, no matter how much we disagree with the manner of approach in dealing with this thing of illegal immigration, guys, they don't deserve to die. When this guy Upagulu Mthakathi was addressing this thing to say they need protection from the masses, people need to protect them because already there are some people who are sent by some immigrants to go and kill them. I thought it was just a fear-mongering or just a victim posture, because I never thought that people would do this thing. Like it has now gotten to that point where these guys can now face an attempt on their lives. I know it is very dangerous. They are playing a very dangerous game, guys. But I never thought that at the moment it has reached that point. I just took it light, So after seeing this video, guys, this is where I realized that no, man, these guys are in real danger. It was very disturbing to see this man wearing a brand hood and a jacket confronting Bhala Mthakathi, who concealed his face. This guy has concealed his face. You cannot see who is he, and is carrying a firearm. Upon leaving Bhala Mthakathi, after speaking to Bhala Mthakathi, the wind blew his jacket. You could see that guy was carrying a firearm. You could see even the way he confronted to Bhala Mthakathi, guys. If you look at his posture, the way that guy is facing Bhala Mthakathi, you could see that this guy was up to something. And Bhala Mthakathi could see he was shaken there. We all know Bhala Mthakathi is a brave man. He's very confident, but you could see there that Bhala Mthakathi was facing danger. He was frightened. He was nervous, pleading for his life, telling this guy that there are some people who are sent by some immigrants to come and kill them, begging this guy. This is very disturbing, guys. It is wrong. No matter how much we disagree with their approach, but guys, please, 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 to that guy, please, man. If these guys, some immigrants send you to go and perhaps, kill any of the leaders of March and March or the leaders of this, these protests, please, guys, man, this will never end your poverty. I want to assure you. There's no justification for doing this. Please, stop it. Stop it. Please, man. It will never stop you. It will never end your poverty. This is just a short-term self-enrichment that will never stop your poverty, guys. On a long term, you will still face poverty. So please, man, please. All these people, whether hitmen or whoever, we sent by these immigrants. And to these, some immigrants who are trying to do this thing, let me tell you, if you think this thing is going to stop the masses from, dealing with this thing of immigration in this country, you are just wasting your time. Instead, you are making things worse. It is going to be worse now. Just expect the worst. After assassinating any of these leaders, expect the worst. Please refrain from a mindset that perhaps if you get rid of any of these leaders, this thing will just go away. It will never. It will be worse. So please, man, refrain from doing this thing. Please, please, please. We know you have money you can afford to buy these hitmen. Taking advantage of the fact that most people are suffering. They are poverty-stricken. So if you promise them money, if you give them money to go and assassinate someone, it's easy. They can do it. Please, 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 guys. To that guy, please follow your conscience. Whoever will send you to go kill these people, don't do it, man. If they've given you the money already, just eat that money and tell them to forsake. Don't do it. Please. No matter how much we disagree with Abophalo Mthakathi, but I will assure you guys, there's leadership in that guy. All of them, even Ungizwe. Guys, I consider Ungizwe as a comedian. Ungizwe is hilarious. You all know he's just a media personality, that guy. I don't take him serious. But with Jacinta, there's leadership in her. She's very smart, very articulate, very confident. Jacinta. We may disagree with him, as I'm saying, guys. But I think these guys, the only thing they need is just guidance here and there. And people will advise them, very smart people who will advise them on how to do things, and to stop these things of calling people names, attacking people. But apart from that, they are very good leaders. We like them. Phakela Mthakathi, criticizing him, criticizing his manner of approach, criticizing him doing things, saying things, the way he's doing things, doesn't make him a very bad person or an enemy of this country. No. We may agree to disagree, guys, but it doesn't deserve death. These people have children, let's not forget. They have family, So please, 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 guys, don't do it. Don't. I pray in my heart, I pray for these guys not to die. It is very good to keep this thing of illegal immigration alive, because some people have been trying to keep this thing underground. So these people are keeping it alive. They are holding the government accountable. They are exposing the failures of government. So we like them. We don't wish the worst for them, guys. Please, 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 man. Please. And the advice I would give to these guys, please carry on drinking muti, guys. Fortify yourself. Try by all means, go to Mhlabelingana, go to Dumbe, wherever you can get muti to fortify yourself. Do it. Even this woman who Jacinta, you too, Jacinta, go drink muti, follow Abongizwe, Abophalo Mthakathi. Also get bodyguards, guys, please. Get bodyguards, because now your life is at risk. Wherever you go, please go with bodyguards, especially if you go to these things of masses. Don't just rely on the masses that they will help you. You don't want to see the worst happening to you guys. Please, man, we love you. We love you. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart. I'm not being a hypocrite. I may criticize some of the things you are doing, but it doesn't make me hate you. I like the way you are pushing. I like your bravery and your confidence. So please, guys, please, man, we want to focus on this thing of Ramaphosa having to subject himself to impeachment proceedings. We don't want to hear the news of anyone who has now lost his life. Please, guys, stop it, man. Don't kill these guys. Please, 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 please.
Ngikule ye-March and March bafowethu. Angifunanga ukufaka izithombe because ama-leaders e-March and March angiwazi wonke ukuthi mangaki. Kodwa abantu esibaziyo yilabo esibabonayo ngobuso. Webafowethu. Lento kufanele siyikhulume la kwi-social media. ukuthi laba bantu ake ngisho nje laba abavelayo abayiholayo iMarch and March, ugovernment ubabhekile, ugovernment wethu ocorrupt ubabhekile ngehlo lokubacupha laba bantu. Ngikhuluma ngoPhakela Umthakathi, ngikhuluma ngoJesinta Zuma, ngikhuluma ngoNgizwe, ngikhuluma ngabo bonke labantu akuyibona baseqhulwini lokuhola iMarch and March, aba-proud, abayenza ngokuzethemba le yanto. Ugovernment ubabhekile, siyamazi ugovernment wethu ukuthi ucorrupt kangakanani, siyamazi ukuthi ugovernment wethu akathandi kangakanani nabantu bokufika. Ubabhekile laba bantu. Khona into ekhulunywa uPhakela Umthakathi kwamanye amavidiyo engiyibone kwamanye amavidiyo. Ake ngiqale la bafowethu. Yabona bafowethu lento yokushutha. As much as thina sifuna ukuthi kungashuthwa ukuze sikwazi ukwenza izinto esifisa ukuzenza, but amavidiyo iwona abalulekile enza kubonakala ukuthi lento iyapla iyakhona. Singaka nje South Africa siyazi ukuthi iMarch and March izobe iseGoli, izobe ilaphi, kade kwenzekane eGoli, kade kwenzekane eThekwini. Ingenxa yalama video lawo abalekile, labantu abashuthayo nje babaleke kakhulu bafowethu. Yabo, ingakho nasevidiyweni yami bengikhuluma ngayo ngikubalekelile ukuthi ngithi abasuswa abantu abashuthayo because sibona ngabo. Yabo, mina mangakaze ngiye, uma ungizwa ngikhuluma ngeMarch and March, ungizwa ngikhuluma ngobuhle bento ebonakalayo eyenzekayo, ingenxa yalama video ashuthwa yilabantu. So asikwazi ukuthi sithi abaxoshwe laba bantu bangashuthi. Kubalekile bashuthi lethu bayifake kwi-social media. Ubona izwe linyakaza kanjena nje ingoba lezi zinto ziyabonakala. Ubona kule amazwe angaphandle wona lawa abanikazi bawo, abanikazi balabantu abasuswa la kuleli zwe sikulona, ayabona, abona nje, abona ngayo i-social media la kuposta khona labafowethu nodadewethu abashuthayo. So nje ngiyacela mina bafowethu esayidini lami kukhona into eshiwo umphakathi, uPhakela Umthakathi, ngiyaxolisa, ethi ngeke ngisayishintsha ivideo ngisho ngabheda kanjani sihambe kakhulu, ethi bafowethu kunabantu abadeploywayo, abathunywayo ukuthi babalandele ngoba kufanele babulawe. Siyamazi ugovernment wethu ukuthi unjalo. Laba bantu badinga iprotection kuthina. Laba bantu kufanele ugovernment azi ukuthi uma kungenzeka kwenzeka iphutha, kutholakala ukuthi uPhakela Umthakathi ulimele, noma uJesinta ulimele, noma uNgizwe ulimele, noma ubani nomunye kwi-leadership yeMarch and March, kufanele azi ugovernment ukuthi siyazi ukuthi uye. Kufanele azi ugovernment ukuthi siyazi ukuthi uye othumela abo bantu ukuthi balimaze labantu. Niyasikhumbula isigameko esenzeka kubaba uZuma ngesikhathi eboshwa esikhothi kahamba ngisazi. Niyakhumbula into eyenzeka kulowo nyaka. Yabona ke kulesi simo bafowethu, isona simo la khona kufanele abantu babe protected ngaphansi kwethu ngoba ukho umthetho ozoba protector. Ayikho into ethi bazoprotect ugovernment ngoba ugovernment vele against lento yeMarch and March. Ugovernment vele sihlukumezeka kangaka nje, akusetshenzwa, akunamsebenzi, akunalutho, kuyahlukunyezwa, kuyahlushekwa, abantu abamnyama bayahlupheka. Vele ugovernment uyakujabulela lokho, vele kuyisystem asebenza ngayo ukuze akwazi ukusilawula. So okwethu bafethu ukuprotecta labantu. Ukuprotecta labantu kwenzani? Ukuthi makuthiwa kiwa kwiMarch and March sikhombise ilaka lethu, sikhombise ukuthi siyayisupporta lento, sigcwale itheku njengoba kwenzekile eGoli, sigcwala amadolobha la kuthiwa kiwa khona, noma ngabe isey'ndaweni zasemakhaya sibe khona, ukuze ugovernment abone ukuthi mangingathinta labantu ngabe ngiyimoshile. Labantu bazoba protected ngaleyo ndlela nje ngoba ngeke silwe namuntu. Akekho umuntu osuke ey'nkabi ethunyiwe ukuthi azobulala umuntu, awukwazi ukumbona ukuthi nanguke. Yabo, kodwa lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi namaplani abekhona athi ukuhlehla kancane ngoba iyazidiwa idamage ezokwenzeka. Mina-ke bafowethu ngifuna nje ukuzothinta leyo, bengingenela nje ukuthinta leyo manje ekuseni ukuthi laba bantu badinga ukuvikeleka. Awumagine uma ngase kutholakala ukuthi uPhakela Umthakathi udutshuliwe washona namhlanje, ukuthi singaba yini kulelizwe, singaba yini kulelizwe mawucabanga wena uzwe kuthiwa uJesinta uboshiwe noma ubulewe, singaba yini kulelizwe because labantu ibona ba ama leaders alento vele sihluphayo. Akekho umuntu ongaboni bafowethu ukuthi kulelizwe sisenkingeni. Ezinye izinto ziveziwe bafowethu, ama-drugs ziveziwe zaphambi kobuso bethu. Ugovernment akaza khulumela lutho ngayo leyo nto, kwathi kwathula kwathi tu. Asikaze sizwe lutho ngalabantu kwakutholakala kubona ama-drugs ngesikhathi kwenzeka. Ngiyakhala ngoxolani mina, ngiyajabula nje ngoba waphuma uyaqhubeka nomsebenzi. Ngakhala kodwa lapho ukuthi ugovernment waziveza ukuthi u-against kangakanani nathi. Abantu bekuvela ama-drugs, kuvela ukuthi nabo abantu abadayisa ama-drugs, kuvela obala. Kodwa ugovernment wathi shut up. Wathi shut up, wathula du. Namhlanje siqhathwe nabantu besifazane, senziwa saba abantu ababi. Isystem kagovernment wethu ukusidivide ukuze singazwani, ukuze singabi nayo ipower. Singamadoda siqhathwe nabantu besifazane ukuthi thina singabantu ababi, sobona badinga ukuvikelekwa against thina. Badinga ukuvikeleka abantu besifazane nezingane. Yathi siyazi thina ukuthi njengamadoda leli lizwe ithina esivikela abafazi bethu. Uma mina nginomfazi nezingane zami, imini ofanele ukuprotecta loyo mndeni, imini ofanele ukuprotecta labo bantu. Umuntu wesifazane noma imuphi la ezweni, abantu ekudinga baba protecte ithina njengamadoda. That's what we are doing manje. Ukuthi singabi nezingane, ugovernment athi yena ingane zivikelwe emadodeni, abantu besifazane abavikelwe emadodeni. Bese emveni kwalokho engenzi lutho ngeingane ezidliswa ama-drugs, angaphenyi lutho ngeingane ezizeyifele emgwaqweni ngoba zabulawa ama-drugs alabantu bokufika. Angenzi lutho ugovernment kodwa wathi ingane zethu uyayithanda. Akukhona lokho ukusixabanisa, ukusidivide ukuze singabi nawo amandla. Because masihlukene vele ngeke size sibe namandla. Ngiyafisa abantu besifazane bangayithengi le phathi. Uma ukade sewuyithengile wehlisa umoya, siqale phansi sisebenze. Siyanithanda abantu besifazane. Siyanithanda zingane zethu ezizalwa osisi bethu noma ngabe izalwa obani, ngoba nidinga ukuprotectwa yithi. Because no government ayikho into azoyenza ukunivikela. Uma kuthi ugovernment uyathanda ukunivikela, ngabe lento lama-drugs ugovernment imkhulu kabi. Ngabe lento yama-drugs kade yaphela la kuleli lizwe lethu. Lezi ingane athi ufanele ivikeleke zigcwele imigwaqo okuyingane zenu. Lezi ingane athi kufanele ivikeleke against thina. Zonke lezi zamantombazane zidayisa imizimba manje, zigcwele indawo lezi zama foreigners. Zidayisa imizimba ngoba ifuna imali, iyona nto abagude ngayo ke labantu bangaphandle ukuthi benze lezo zinto ezinjalo. Ingane zethu zigcwele zonke lezo sisibethu, bagcwele imigwaqo badayisa ngemizimba. Hambe emadrobheni ubona abantu besifazane izinto abazenzayo, abazenzeli bona bayahola, badayisiswa yilabantu bokufika. Siney'ndawo njengoPoint eThekwini, indawo ekuthiwa alibhadwa kanjani abantu abalapha yabantu bokufika, kubona abantu balakulelizwe. Kodwa ugovernment uthuli ngalokho. Hayi futhi ukuthi abazi ngePoint. Mawuye eGoli, Hillbrow, indawo ezaziwayo ukuthi zi-ownwa abantu bokufika, ugovernment akenzi lutho ngalokho. Ugovernment unepower yokwenza noma yini, ukuqeda noma yini ekufanele iqedwe, kodwa ngoba uyabenefita, ngoba vele thina siyanyanyeka, sinegazi elimnyama, ngeke azenze lutho ngalokho. Okwethu bafowethu kuhlala siyi-united, siyinto eyodwa ukuze ugovernment akakwazi ukungena phakathi kwethu. Makubiza ukuthi makufika ama-elections singavoti, lokho singakwenza futhi. Kungabi bikho istation la kuthiwa khona kuyavotwa khona, ngavoti umuntu ukuze ayibone ugovernment akanapower, ithina esiyipower yakhe. Ngicela labantu bafowethu bavikeleke ngaphansi kwethu, bonke laba ama-leaders eMarch and March, bengicela lokho nje bafowethu, otherwise.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. There's a disturbing video that is circulating lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yabhodi lobonakala afake imask ebusweni or singathi balaclava naphakela umthakathi la bamashela khona. So phakela umthakathi siyambona wehlisa liphimbo, uyambuta kubhodi, uyamcela ukuthi ahambele ngale, ubekaze akhuluma naye nje kahle. Siyakuthi phakela umthakathi normally is someone lo loud nalokhuluma konje ngqo into lafuna ukuyikhuluma emntwini, but lana bekakhulumela phansi, akhuluma kahle nangenhlonipho kulo bhodi. Le video lena abantu abaningi babona engazuthi bophakela umthakathi uJacinta noMiza Mchunu really need to be protected because ebathusile bantu ukuthi kungani lo bhodi achamuke adivale ebuso. So nje guys, bantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi we really need to pray for our patriots. So do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.